Hello guys, so tonight I'm going to be folding this origami dolphin. Here it is. It's a pretty cool model. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. Okay? Here's a dolphin. So first you need a square sheet of paper, like one of these. And you want to make a water bomb base. So first you want to fold it in half. Like so. And then you want to fold it in half again, like so, okay? And now you want to open up this pocket right here, and then you want to fold that down, like so, and make sure all the edges line up as well. Okay, and you want to do the same thing on the other side as well. Okay, so you want to flip it over, and then you want to open up this pocket right here and fold it all the way down to the end and fold this piece down. Okay, just like that. And then you want to spin this around like this, so the point is on top and this edge, this open edge, is on the bottom. Okay, here. And now you want to take this this top layer right here, and you want to fold that point right down like so. Okay, somewhere right in the middle. Okay, between this center line and that point. Okay, somewhat in the middle. Okay, just around there. Okay, this is gonna be the fin, so it doesn't have to be straight down, but like here, I put in a slight angle. That was on purpose, of course. But yeah, you can put it in whichever angle, because this will be the fin. And now on the other side, right here, you see this edge. You want to fold this edge right down to this bottom edge, okay? So you want to fold this whole thing in half, okay? So take this edge and fold it right down to the bottom. Like so. And then you want to take this point right here and fold it right around here. Okay, fold this right up. Okay, you can leave this top unfolded as well. Okay. And then you want to fold this top piece from this corner and this front corner. Okay. So fold this whole thing all the way down, right up to that top corner and that bottom corner here. Okay, like that. And then you want to zigzag fold right around here. Okay, so leave a bit of space between the fin and the nose. So right around here. You want to fold that thing back. And then you want to fold it back forward again. Okay, just like that. And you want to hide in that corner, so you want to open up this pocket right here, and you want to fold that point right inside. Okay, and then you want to go to this end right here, and you want to open up this pocket and fold this whole back side down. Okay, just like that. And then you want to take that front layer right here and pull it all the way up until this back corner right here. Okay, then fold it down like so, and then you can flip it over to the front of the dolphin. Okay, and here is the dolphin. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.